Topic card number 67 is describe a job you would not like to do in the future. So you will talk about a job that you would not like to do in the future. What is the job? Why you don't want to do it? How you feel about the job? That's what you got to speak. So you can start now.
To understand my answer, you have to consider my educational background. There are two types of job available: marketing type and research type. In research type, there are jobs like AR or agriculture research officer and land lab assistant type. I don't like them all. I'm more interested into a marketing job because I think there's no future in the research job considering our platform, especially Pakistan. And I think consider if you want a future, I think you can push towards a marketing job because considering Google, it's the best job available in the planet. And I want to do something. But the question is what job you don't want to do. I don't want to do the research job because it's an introvert job. It's a totally office work job, and I don't think I like that job.
Okay, let's move on to part 3. What kind of jobs do young people prefer?
Young people nowadays prefer the job which includes less physical work. They want to do a job in the office. They don't want to push themselves beyond their limits. That's why they are usually in the office and doing the low income job with less physical work because they feel secure nowadays.
Okay. Some people will lose their job because of technology. How to deal with it?
I think with time you have to adapt yourself because if you still living in the 19th century, you will not do anything good. If the people is losing their job, they will have to adapt to the environment and their surroundings.
Okay. Will you settle down in another country?
Yeah, considering the opportunity and if it's a really good opportunity, I will sure settle down there.
Why?
Because I'm looking for my future. I'm not looking for something. I want my best future, and I think the thing that suits me well, I will go for them.
Okay, overall it's good, but you must organize your answers. In speaking part 2 also you spoke for only 50 seconds. So you got to speak for 1 minute, right? So I mean otherwise your English is good. So you need to pay more attention to it and you need to organize your answers. I give you 6 band, but you are capable of getting 6.5 very easily.
Thank you.
Right? Thank you.